Hello guys, happy new week. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Veworld Wallet. Yeah, Veworld is an extension for accessing Vechain enabled distributed application, also known as dApps. So guys, if you're a big fan of VET tokens, yeah, or VETO tokens, yeah, guys, you have to download Veworld Wallet. Yeah, so guys, you can see I stored some of my vet tokens here in Veworld Wallet. I have some veto tokens here in Veworld Wallet. So guys, if you store your vet tokens here in Veworld Wallet, yeah, you will receive some fraction of veto tokens. Yeah, so guys, you can download Veworld on your app store. Yeah, so guys, don't forget this. Yeah, if you click on this, you will receive your NFTs. If you are a big fan of NFT, yeah, this is where you will store your NFT. Yeah, if you click on this, you will see all dApps on Vechain. Yeah, you see all dApps on Vechain. Yeah, so guys, if you want to buy a project on Vechain, you can use Verocket decentralized exchange. So guys, you click on it. Yeah, when you click on it, yeah, you connect your wallet. You click on Veworld, you sign. Yeah. So guys, if you want to buy a project on Vechain, you can use VeTHO tokens or VET tokens. Yeah. So guys, these are the listed projects. Yeah, on Vechain. Yeah. So guys, you can conduct your research before you buy any of them. If you want to view projects on Vechain, yeah, on CoinGecko, you can search for Vechain ecosystem. Yeah, so guys, this is the ecosystem. If you are interested in any of these projects, you can buy them on Verocket. Yeah, so guys, you can store your vet tokens, yeah, on SafePower. So guys, on SafePower, you can store your vet tokens, you can store your veto tokens. Yeah, you can also store your tokens on Trust Wallet. So guys, if you have Trust Wallet, yeah, you can store your vet and your veto. Yeah, you search for vet. Yeah, so guys, you can store your vet tokens. Yeah, if you have Trust Wallet. Yeah, you can also search for veto if you are a fan of veto. So guys, you can store your veto. Yeah, on Trust Wallet. So guys, you can also buy vet tokens. Yeah, on Trust Wallet. You click on Dex. Yeah, you click on Pancake Swap. So guys, make sure you have BNB if you want to buy VET tokens on PancakeSwap. You connect your wallet here. Make sure you have some BNB. Okay. You search for VET. So guys, you will swap BNB to buy VET tokens. Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.